Hey everyone, are you looking for a quick way to boost your income? Do you want to learn a new skill in just 1 month that can actually help you start making money online or offline? If yes, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll reveal one powerful skill you can master in just 30 days and how you can turn it into real cash, even if you're starting from scratch. So, make sure to watch till the end because I'll also share some bonus tips to help you get started faster. Let's be honest. Everyone wants to earn more money, but not everyone has years to spend learning something new. That's why short-term, high-demand skills are so valuable right now. With the right skill, you can start freelancing, get side gigs, or even launch your own small business. But the big question is, which skill should you pick? After researching dozens of options, one skill stands out: copywriting. Now you might be wondering, what is copywriting? Simply put, copywriting is the art of writing words that sell, whether it's for ads, websites, emails, or social media. Every business needs copywriters to attract customers and boost sales. And the best part? You don't need a degree or fancy equipment, just your laptop and internet connection. Here's why copywriting is perfect for beginners. High demand. Every business, big or small, needs copywriters. Quick to learn. You can grasp the basics in a few weeks. Remote work. Work from anywhere, anytime. Great pay. Even beginners can earn $20–50 per hour, and experienced writers make much more. No special tools needed, just your writing skills and creativity. So, how can you master copywriting in just 1 month? Here's a simple plan. Week 1. Learn the basics. Watch free YouTube tutorials and read beginner articles. Understand what makes good copy clear, persuasive, and focused on benefits. Week 2. Study real examples. Analyze ads, emails, and landing pages from top brands. Try rewriting them in your own words. Week 3. Practice, practice, practice. Write sample ads, product descriptions, or social media posts. Ask friends for feedback or join online writing communities. Week 4. Build a simple portfolio. Create 3–5 samples of your best work. Set up a free website or LinkedIn profile to showcase your skills. Once you have your portfolio, it's time to find clients. Here's how. Freelance platforms. Sign up on Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Social media. Join Facebook groups or LinkedIn communities for business owners. Cold outreach. Email small businesses in your area and offer your services. Job boards. Check sites like ProBlogger, Indeed, or remote.co for copywriting gigs. Start with small projects to build your reputation. As you gain experience, you can charge higher rates and attract bigger clients. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips on making money and building new skills. See you in the next video, and remember, your journey to financial freedom can start today with just one new skill.